This month's Viewer Spotlight features an AMT 1966 Nova Pro Street Machine built by a gentleman named Robert. Robert has requested that I keep the rest of his identification anonymous, and I'll respect that. Like many of us, Robert used to build models when he was a child and just recently returned to the hobby back in December of 2024, when his daughter gifted him a Fujimi Honda CRX at Christmas time. Since that time, Robert has been building JDM model cars primarily from the 1990s. That is until his mother-in-law gave him this 1966 AMT Nova for his birthday. The Chevy Nova is quite special to her because she used to drive an entry-level version of the same car back in the day. So Robert decided to honor her, he would paint the interior and the exterior the same color as hers. But that's where the similarities end. He began the build by utilizing the Pro Stock hood that came with the kit and used just the bottom half of the hood as a foundation and custom shaped it with Tamiya Quick Type epoxy putty. Robert stated that he did not like the velocity stacks nor the air cleaners that came with the engine, so he used this 3D printed blower scoop from a set that he bought on eBay from Nefty's Customs. The entire paint job was done by means of rattle can, beginning with gray primer from Krylon, and then a coat of matte black spray from Tamiya was added, allowed to cure, then the black was masked off for the stripes, and then gold spray from Harris, which is a cheap equivalent to Krylon, was coated on top of that. Finally, a clear coat from Duplicolor spray 1K Clear was added. The chrome exhaust tubes that you see here are actually chrome sprue. The rear spoiler was kit bashed from an incomplete monogram McDonald's 1993 Ford Thunderbird NASCAR model kit. The interior is finished in off-white upholstery with a black dash and console, and the floor was left gray from the gray primer. The gauges were painted with an assortment of Tamiya clear yellow, red, and orange enamels. Robert, I really appreciate you sharing your build with us, and please keep in touch and show us pictures of your next build. If any of my other subscribers would like their model kit to be featured in the Viewer Spotlight, please email me at modelbuildingandretirement@gmail.com. Please include in your email detailed photos and detailed description including the name of the kit manufacturer, your theme or inspiration, colors and types of paints used, and any other special details such as modifications. Also, be sure to let us know where you're from. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.